Everybody, I want to see your one hand. Everybody, if you are here, I want to see your one hand up like that. After this one, we want to say thank you very much for having us. I will tell you my name later. I was nearly forgetting my name, but now I remember. Now put your one hand on your drum. And if you have a table or your ties, you can use the same one hand. Now we're going to go like that. Now we go. One finger, play, then drum. Sing it. One finger, play, then drum. Louder! Louder! One finger, play, then one more time. One finger, play, then drum. One finger, play, then drum. Two finger, play, then drum. Louder! Two fingers, play, then drum. Two fingers, play, then drum. Louder! Two fingers, play, then drum. Three fingers, play, then louder! Three fingers, play, then drum. One more time. Three fingers, play, then drum. Three fingers, play, then drum. Four 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 fingers, play, then drum. And stop. 1, 2, 3, go! Shut up! Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we go. Hey, hey. Everybody. Louder. I can't hear you. Everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you very much, guys. So, this is African style. We based in Melbourne. We didn't come from Africa. But we come from Africa and we live here. On my right hand side, the one of the great musicians from Ghana, Iado. Let's surprise. Iado is going to give you something with your hand on the drum. Everybody listen and follow him. And follow him.
Alright guys, what's happening here?
I think this mic need a whiskey. All right, guys. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? All right. So, guys, we're gonna do something called rhythm copy. You guys are gonna repeat after me whatever I play here. Are you ready? All right. Check this. Oh, guys, I don't think you're ready. You have to listen carefully before I play it. Big drum roll here.